Isang karangalan na welcome ka sa entrepreneur na pinamumunuan ng kinikilalang Professor Roman P. Buison.
According to the Asian Development Bank, MSMEs are the backbone of economies of Asia and are considered its driving force. This is true in the Philippines, where MSMEs comprise about 99% of the enterprises, which generates more than 62% of the country's employment. It is for this reason that MSMEs sector is seen as the key to our country's economic recovery from the COVID-19 pandemic. The efforts and initiatives of our government to support MSMEs have been consistent throughout the years, as shown by the passage of the Magna Carta for MSMEs, which is a landmark legislation defining our country's policy towards MSMEs. The passage of the law by itself, however, is not enough. We must ensure that the laws are fully and properly implemented in a timely manner. More importantly, we must try to build resiliency in the face of an unpredictable global economy due to climate change and the possibility of the emergence of future pandemics, as well as the rapid transformation of our society brought about by the advances in technology. I am one with you in finding and establishing measures to that the provisions of our law are effectively implemented and that our goals are achieved. Makakaasa po kayo sa aking suporta. Dito po sa Davao City, isa po sa ipinagmamalaki ko na programa during my administration as mayor ay yung Magnegosyo Taday. Ito po ay sagot ng aking administration doon sa mga lumalapit sa akin. Lagi na mga kababaihan. Inday Sara, gusto man ko magnegosyo pero wala man ko'y kwarta, ikapital, ikasugod. Inday Sara, naaman ko'y negosyo pero nalubog man kay nangutang ko sa 5-6, gihurot niya tanan ang ako ang kita. So ito po yung experience ko as a mayor at ito po yung kasagutan namin sa pangangailangan nila at ito po yung direction namin, entrepreneurship sa aming women's sector dito sa Davao City as an additional or other source of income para sa mga household nila. And in my experience, MSME din po ang pinaka naiiwanan kapag merong problema. Unang-una po, sa kanila, wala talaga silang access sa capitalization and sa financing. Dahil hindi man nila magawa yung mga requirements ng bangko, hindi man nila magawa yung mga requirements ng financing organizations, yung mga documentation at mga hinahanap pa sa kanila. And kapag nagkaroon ng problema po, wala pong tulong kaagad na naibibigay ang gobyerno sa kanila at ang nangyayari po ay nalulubog sila sa utang. Kaya po marami sa ating mga MSMEs ang hindi successful. Kaya po doon sa aking pahayag kanina, importante po na hindi lang magkaroon ng batas, ngunit dapat full implementation ng batas ang nakikita natin sa ating sambayanan at sa ating MSME sector. Ulitin ko po, makakaasa po kayo sa aking suporta. Maraming salamat, sukran, mahalin natin ang Pilipinas.
Kung nagustuhan niyo po ang video na ito, paki-like, share, and subscribe. At maaari rin po kayo mag-iwan ng comment. Maraming pong salamat!